Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY stickers. Before we start this video, our shoutouts today are... Let's get started! We'll be needing clear packing tape, paper, parchment paper, art supplies, and lastly, scissors. First, we'll be needing to cover the parchment paper with your clear packing tape. Now, you can draw what you want on your piece of paper as your sticker, or you can just print it out. For example, these are the stickers I drew. I drew them and I colored them. Next, all you have to do is cut your stickers' shapes out. Here are my stickers all cut out. For the next step, you'll need to glue the stickers onto the clear tape area. Once again, cover the stickers with clear tape. After, cut your stickers out. Make sure to leave a small space around the edges, or else your sticker will fall apart. At this point, if you want to, you can peel the parchment paper off the back of the sticker and stick the sticker wherever you want. If you want to store it for later, put it on a small piece of parchment paper. Now you can bring them anywhere or give them to friends as a gift. There are many things you could put the stickers on, such as notebooks, pencil cases, and folders. I ended up just putting all of my stickers onto my pencil case. They look very cute and decorative. So anyways, that was our video for today. Bye guys!